as you know, it's Melissa 8117. I'm going to 5 because my phone is about to run out of 5. So I'm gonna show you my options for what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Right? I have this white socks. I have two options actually. This t-shirt, it's a blue one. These cargo pants, black. The second option is the blue t-shirt, right? And this jersey and this jeans. So let's find. It's fine. So now the problem is the shoes. I have Nike shoes that blue. It's gonna be a blue bag thing.